In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom brush in Adobe Illustrator. We'll start by making the artwork that will become your brush. Use the pen tool, the shape tool, or any drawing tool you like to sketch the design. If you prefer shortcuts, P will bring up the pen tool. Keep your design simple for the cleanest results. Think lines, small motifs, or repeating patterns rather than complex, highly detailed illustrations. Clean edges and balanced negative space help the brush scale nicely and look sharp on different paths. Next, open the Brushes panel so you can turn your artwork into a brush. Go to the Window menu and choose Brushes. If you don't see it at first, it might be grouped with other panels, so just expand it. With your panel ready, select the artwork you just drew so Illustrator knows what to convert. In the Brushes panel, click the New Brush button, the plus icon, to start. You'll see a few brush types, each with a different purpose. Choose Calligraphic brush if you want to simulate pen strokes with adjustable angle and roundness. Pick Scatter brush to scatter copies of your design along a path, perfect for confetti-like effects or organic textures. Select Art brush if you want your artwork stretched along the length of a path, great for stylized strokes or ribbons. Choose Pattern brush to repeat your artwork along a path, which is ideal for borders, frames, or decorative edges. Once you've picked the type, adjust the options to fine-tune the look. Size controls how big the brush appears, and for scatter brushes, spacing determines how tightly or loosely the objects appear along the path. Rotation can align elements to the path's direction or keep them fixed depending on the style you're after. Colorization options let your brush adopt the stroke color you choose later, which is handy if you want one brush to work in multiple color palettes without redrawing. When it looks right, click OK to save. Now it's time to use your brush. Draw a path with the brush tool, shortcut B, or select any existing path in your artwork. With the path selected, click your custom brush in the Brushes panel to apply it instantly. If the result isn't perfect on the first try, no problem. Tweak the brush settings in the Brushes panel or adjust your path's thickness and see the changes update. This iterative approach is the quickest way to dial in the exact look you want, and that's it. Draw, create, adjust, and apply. You now have a custom brush ready to bring consistency and style to your designs.